Hello guys, we registered the stream today 17th of April and we are starting with Bitcoin at the weekly chart, and we start with this supply area, and we see that this area is coming from 2020 December and it's a reaction at 2021 in June, and we have reaction on this in 30 May 2022, and now we are in the same area. So we have first this zone react like a support, and after that in May 2022 react like a resistance, and now we are in this area again after we have from beginning of December, November, end of November, and bouncing and continue. If we go and check the RSI, we talk on our Discord channel that we are in the resistance with this RSI. The resistance is coming from August 2020, and after that try to go back in 8 November 2021 and drop it, and now is forcing, and we see the rejection from this. If we can do with prices, we see this is coming from the all-time high, this resistance on RSI, and getting rejecting, and the price get rejecting also, and we see this is getting rejecting on the weekly chart and on the daily and 4 hours again. If we check in February, we see that the same RSI in this try to do support and bounce it. So, and if we check in August 2020, is coming with a drop of the price of, let's see, almost 20%. So this zone also for RSI, also for price, is very important, because how I say early, the price hit the supply area and the X support. The resistance hit the resistance, and the price is action according to this. If we go at 3 days, we see also a pattern, and we see this pattern, and we see this rejection from the supplies. And if we check the RSI and the stochastic, we see we continue to have bear divergence on RSI. And if we go on the daily, we have a bear divergence on the stochastic. We see the momentum is lower, the price is higher, and we get the bear divergence, which is in play now. If we go on 4 hours, we see this 89 exponential moving average, which is, let's take it out the drawing, play before like a support. Here, and after that bounce. And now we are in the same area, and the price bounce from this. So according to this, each exponential moving average will play like a support. So we have this. It look also like a head and shoulders pattern, and lost it, and after that we see if we can get and break again this exponential. If we get the rejection of the exponential moving average from this area, from 29-30,000, it is a possibility to short this and to continue down. We have this area, 1 second, because we have it from here. From the morning we know this, and we talk on our stream this. If we lose this support, can be a short, and we get the short on this 29,200 area. If it is losing again this 1 hour demand area and we get the rejection from exponential moving average, the price will drop to the next area, this one, and after that to the next demand, which is with 200 exponential moving average at 2 hours and at 4 hours. So each exponential moving average will play like a support. Price can come to this 28,600, to this 28,200, to this 28,000, to this, and all the time on lower time frame can bounce. If we go at total 2, we have these charts before, and we say if this demand area resistance will break, alts will bounce, and we saw a couple of alts bouncing from 6, 7, 8 of April, and we get some bounces. If we go on futures, we saw the same thing, which is coming from this supplier. We get the rejection and the price is continue. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days try to break it. The price couldn't break it, and now we are getting the resetting on the lower time frames. So in play now, how I say early, we have this stochastic bear divergence on the daily, and we see the price how it's coming up. I will check this 28,000 for a potential hold and continue. This is very important to hold this area to continue up. If you go on the stocks, we see this stock which closed early, still didn't fall down, break this pattern, continue to go up, hit this supply area which is coming from early February, and if can break this, the next zone can be this 428. If stocks didn't fall, possible Bitcoin will hold also and continue to go up. One more thing to discuss, we have also, I know this I posted on the beginning of the years, we have Tesla hit also this supply area, get rejected here, and after that fall down and hit this demand area, and after that bounce on the lower time frame. If this zone will hold, can push it to this again, to this area. If not, will not hold, we will go on the lower time frame and we will check, maybe it's coming to close this gap and to coming to 163. If we go on the on the Bitfinex shorts, we see today the shorts bounced and the price fall down, so it's a possibility of the eating of the stop losses of the longs, and after that to go back up. Thank you very much, guys. I wish you all the best to all, and we keep in touch on our Discord.